A factory reset restores your AirPods Pro 3 to their original out-of-box state, erasing all paired devices, custom settings like EQ profiles or spatial audio calibrations, and data. You'll want to do this if you're experiencing connectivity issues, audio glitches, or before selling or trading your AirPods. As of September 2025, resetting is also helpful for troubleshooting firmware update problems, especially after updates like iOS 18.2 or firmware 7A206, which addressed battery optimization issues. Doing this will not delete data from your other linked Apple devices. Start with the hardware reset. Place both AirPods in the charging case and open the lid. Find the Setup button on the back of the case. Press and hold it for 15 to 20 seconds until the status light flashes amber, indicating reset, then white, showing it's ready. Next, forget the device on your paired device. On your iPhone or Android, open Settings and go to Bluetooth. Find your AirPods in the list, tap the info icon, and choose Forget this device to break the pairing connection. Finally, repair the AirPods. Keep the case open and near your device, then follow the on-screen pairing prompts. If you're using an Apple device with iCloud, they may automatically connect. Remember to ensure your AirPods have at least 20% battery before starting this process.